In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a subpage on Squarespace, quick and easy. If you've ever wanted to tidy up your navigation with a menu that expands to show related pages, this is exactly what you need. In Squarespace, a subpage lives under a dropdown, sometimes called a folder, and it's perfect for grouping similar content without overwhelming your main menu. First, log in to your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. This takes you into the site editor, where you can manage your pages and navigation. On the left-hand side, click Pages. This is your navigation hub. You'll see your main navigation at the top and, depending on your setup, other sections like Not Linked below. Next, we'll create the container that will hold your subpages. Look for the Add button in the Pages panel and choose Dropdown or Folder from the options. Don't worry if your interface uses slightly different wording. Both work the same way. When prompted, give your dropdown a clear, short name that describes the group of pages it will hold. You can rename it any time, so focus on clarity over perfection. This name becomes the label people will click in your site's navigation. Now let's turn an existing page into a subpage. Find the page you want to place under the dropdown. Let's say it's a page like Hello for this example, and click it to make sure you've got the right one. Then, in the Pages panel, drag that page directly under the dropdown and slightly to the right until you see it indent. That indentation indicates it's now a subpage nested inside the dropdown. If you prefer, you can also use the Pages Options menu to move it into the dropdown. Either way, once it's indented, it's officially a subpage. You can repeat that process for any other pages you want to group. To add brand new subpages, create a new page while the dropdown is selected, and it will automatically nest inside. You can reorder subpages by dragging them up or down, and you can toggle visibility using the little visibility icon if you need to hide something while you work. When you're done, preview your site. On desktop, hover over the drop-down label to reveal the subpages. On mobile, tap the arrow next to the label to expand the list. If you need to tweak the label, URL, or SEO settings for any subpage, open its settings and make your adjustments. That's it. Your subpage